how to make widescreen bars on After Effects and Premiere. This is really quick. It's not really a time-consuming method, so it's gonna be really quick and easy. So let's help the computer. Alright, so this is my project I was working on. You see how it looks kind of shorter than it usually should. You can see the top bar right here and the bottom bar down here, but the actual video is like from here to here. So how I did that is I'm starting the composition. Composition. Alright, so under width, I have a 1920. I have a 1980 or 1920 by 1080 video. So what I did was keep it 1920 because it's that wide, but take the height down to 810 right here. So what that does, it pretty much makes the top of the video that you're not going to use and the bottom of the video that you're not going to use disappear. So that technically when you render, this is going to be the top part, or the top bar, and down here is going to be the top bar also, and then this is just going to be the video playing. I'm not going to render or anything because I already did that earlier. So it actually looks like this. Open it up. This is how the video renders out. It's really short but wide. But when you make it full screen, there's a top bar right here and the top bar right, or bottom bar right here. And then on YouTube, let me see if I can pull up a video. Short plug right here. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you won't miss a video. But other than that, this is my last video right here. This is it. You can notice that the top bar, or the top of the video, is really short, or the whole video looks kind of short, and then it's really wide, like usual. But when you make it full screen, is the actual widescreen bars on here. So they have top bar, bottom bar, and that's how it looks. So you don't have to actually add in the bars because your footage is still playing, even though it's covered over. It's still playing. Your bars are still, your bars are considered video. So it's actually taking up more space, and you're making your videos more space than it actually needs to be. So I think that was a cool little trick that I learned off of YouTube. But I had to actually look for it to actually find it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped you out a little bit. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you comment down below what kind of tutorial you want to see. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, give me some more views, and I'll see you guys next time.